All right, today's a big day for me. I just quit my 9 to 5 corporate job after almost 15 years. Yes! I just want to make this video today to go over my experience working in 9 to 5 and where we're going to take this channel and Wicky Design. So I'll start back in 2004, which is when I started at URS Corporation full-time. I was able to start out as an entry-level 3D animator. Shortly after that, I merged into a web development project manager position, and I'll fast forward to about 2013, 2014, and that's when two things really changed to get us to where we are now. And first one was the company was being merged with another huge company, almost doubling in size, and at that time I was going through a divorce, and I met Barb shortly after that. So those two big changes, and then I had two more changes on top of that shortly after. Once I met Barb, we decided to move up to Philly from Tampa. That was probably the biggest and scariest change for me, was making a move across the country away from my family and friends. But once I got settled in and started working back to a routine, I was really happy up here, and I still am. And then after that, we decided to get married pretty quickly. Just get everything done in about a year and a half. Just move, married, new job, everything. So at that point, it was about 2015, is when Barb was able to transition into working at Wicky Design full-time. I was able to support her part-time, whenever I could. But we knew that I needed to come on board full-time eventually. So that time is now, October 2018. So you can see it took a few years for us to get to where we are and really start this business and grow. So what we plan to do with this channel is to help people that were in the same situation as us, where you want to leave your 9 to 5, you don't quite know what to do, how to do it when it comes to certain things. So that's why we want to help you. We want to help you with, the marketing aspect of it. So your branding, your web design, questions like that, we're here to help you, because that's a huge transition to quit your job, start a business, start a website, because you need one, and just to get a professional to talk to you about this stuff, that's hard to come by. So that's why we want to cater to those people who are leaving their job and just want to ask questions. We're here. We have strategy calls. We can help you with stuff like that. So that's the goal of Wicky Design in the future, is to really cater to the people who are quitting your 9 to 5 and are ready to make the next step and start your own business. I can tell you, I'm here, and it's scary, but it is a really fun, exciting time, because you're going to be working for yourself, and you can literally invest in yourself. That's something I never thought of working at a corporate gig. So expect plenty of new content to come out. We're going to be making cool, fun videos, all this new stuff coming out pretty soon. So we will be seeing you soon. Thanks.